Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 196. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're also missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we're only missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and we don't have any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. And so all that's left to do for these 4 is just pick a way to go. So 4, make this our 8, 4, and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.